welcome back to the channel. So today, I've known you from Dixie headquarters. We're gonna be sanding this trim piece down so we can actually put it into the bedrooms. So it's gonna be pretty sick. So let's get right to it and start working. The back of the board knocked out here. It's ready to go in the house, and so yeah, this side I just left painted. This side I just made it nice and smooth, sanded some of the paint off. But now we're gonna start smoothing out this old piece of wood right here, smoothing the edges out, making it just like that one, and painting it. So let's get to it. So guys, we got most of that knocked out. So I guess just keep sanding this one until it's pure wood, like pure. So yeah, let's get to it. So guys, we got all of that knocked out. I wish you could be here right now. It's absolutely sweating right now. Sorry. Our chickens are sweating. So over here, chickens are sweating. Checkers, you gonna puff up? Okay. Yeah, they're sweating. So, and yes, we're moving, and we got all this wood, crazy stuff. Down here, we got a whole bunch of like trees and stuff. We're gonna be clearing all those out, chopping them up, doing a bunch of crazy stuff. So, I don't really know what we're going to be doing. Oh, I guess that's going to be wrap for today's video. But if you don't want to get an inside scoop for YouTube, make sure to give me a follow on Instagram at RizzlyNixie. That's all that's going to happen today. Stay tuned for the next one, and peace.